What if I told you that ancient humans knew more than we do today? Pause. What if I told you there is proof of it? Not a myth. Not a legend. A real machine. 2,000 years old. And it should not exist. In 1901, near the coast of Greece, divers were exploring a sunken ship at the bottom of the sea. They found gold, statues, ancient artifacts, and then something else. A small, corroded piece of metal. No one cared. It didn't shine. It didn't look valuable. But one diver later said something strange. When I touched it, it felt like it was watching me. The object was brought to land. Experts glanced at it and said, just scrap metal. Probably a broken clock. And it was locked away. In darkness. 4 decades. Silent. Waiting. 50 years later, a scientist placed it under an X-ray machine. The screen lit up. And the room went silent. Inside the metal, perfectly cut gears. Interlocking wheels. Precise calculations. Technology that should not exist before the modern age. The scientist whispered, "This isn't a clock. This is a machine that thinks." As researchers studied it further, the truth became disturbing. This machine could track the sun, predict lunar and solar eclipses, calculate planetary motion, forecast celestial events years in advance. This wasn't decoration. This was a computer. Built over 2,000 years ago. History tells us ancient people were primitive. This machine says otherwise. It suggests they understood time, the cosmos, the mechanics of the universe. So the question is, if they could build this, what else did they know? And more importantly, why did that knowledge disappear? When scientists tried to fully reconstruct the machine, they discovered something terrifying. Several gears were missing. Never found. As if someone deliberately removed them. As if the machine was never meant to be complete again. Today, the machine sits in a museum. Silent. Still. But some researchers say, when you stand in front of it long enough, it feels like it's asking a question. If I were complete, would your world look the same? If you enjoy stories that uncover dark secrets, ancient mysteries, and truths history hides, make sure you subscribe. Because the next story might be even more disturbing.